this video, I want to show you how to create time management survey. First, you need to click extensions, click view form, and then load form template. And now you can search time management survey. After you found it, just click load selected template. Just wait for it and you will get dashboard responses questions, also the settings tab to edit it. And just refresh the page and click view form, just get link, and then click continue here and go to your account. And just click advanced here and go to coffee form. Just follow the step and here you can click allow, and after that you will get a link like this. Just copy it all and paste it on your search engine, and now the form is ready to use like this. But you can also edit any questions or appearance of your form. For example, here I want to insert new row. I use text here and copy the question and change it. For example, I want to change it into name like this, and go back to your form and just refresh it. It will show like this in the form. If you have any question, just comment down below. And I want to change it, for example, date like this, and don't forget to change the questions too, and it will change like this in the form, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar. Also, you can delete the row like this if you don't need the row anymore, so it will disappear like this. Also, now go to settings to change appearance of your form. For example, I change my background color like this, but you can also pick any color that you want. For example, I want to edit the HTML here. You can use it to, you can edit anything. For example, I delete the mark behavior here, so the title will stuck like this. Or maybe I want to give an example to update the logo too. Just click the link of the logo and put it on logo ID and just refresh the form, and now the logo is up.